Annapolis home prices are up 14.5% from last year this time. It's Friday, May 17th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. The Annapolis zip code where home prices increased the most was 21403 at 18.1%, followed by 21401 at 12.5% increase. 21409 home prices rose 2.1% from last year, but are up 4.7% year to date. There are 126 homes for sale in Annapolis. 24 hit the market this past week, and 25 are coming soon. 37 homes went under contract in 6 median days since last report. 25 homes sold in 7 days at 101.6% list to sold ratio. The industry remains divided on whether purchase interest rates will fall as inflation has slowed after hitting a 40-year high of 9.1% in June 2022. Home prices are up, and if the rates do fall, we will likely see more buyers in the market who stepped out to wait for the rate improvements. This means more competition and more multiple offers than we are seeing now. If you are a buyer, consider those added frustration factors if you are waiting. There are currently 31 rentals available at $3,000 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 17th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.